Aarohan, the annual science fest of Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Bengaluru, and this is the 11th edition of Aarohan that's been hosted by Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, Bengaluru. So the Aarohan has been categorized into two categories. One is the junior category and the senior category. Under junior category, you can see there are various competitions, workshops, and a project exhibition, and also the fun events. And also under the senior category, you can see there are competitions, workshops, and the fun events. So the students can learn more technicality in this fest as such. One such example for the competitions may be the brainwave, where the students should involve their technical knowledge to win those competitions as such. And likewise, there is fun events where the students can drive a bot as such, and there are goodies that will be provided for the participants as such. Likewise, there are workshops where few to be named as the drones workshop and the IoT workshops, where in the drone workshops the students will be learning about how to assemble a drone and how to fly a drone. And likewise, when it comes to Internet of Things, the student can learn more about the Arduino programming and also about the automation as such, which is ruling the entire world now. Registration for the Aarohan is free of cost, and there is no restriction with respect to the number of students that are participating in Aarohan as such. Each and every participant will be provided with a participation certificate, and there is a cash prize of 1 lakh worth, which would be given to the winner and the runner-up for the various competitions and the project exhibitions. The project exhibitions can be only under the category of 8th, 9th, and 10th students, where the projects which they have already developed, they can brought in to the Amrita and they can exhibit in front of all, and the winner and the runner-up will be awarded with the cash prize. So do register for Aarohan under the website www.amrita.edu/Aarohan. Thank you.